And let's do this. Let's hide that. And let's hide that. Oh, I gotta, okay, let's do this. All right. Here, let's open this up. Let's open this up. Let's open this up. Let's mute that and do that and then do that. Okay. Light Studio is here. Let's do this. So we're trying to make scrolling tiles. I'm going to try to make scrolling tiles this stream. If it weren't obvious already. All right, let's do this. So basically, the screen is 480 by 360. Welcome, Zach's23. Welcome, Zach's23. Welcome, Cade and Zimdal to the stream. Welcome, Minecraft SS. Already, we got a couple people in here. All right, so basically, I'm just going to try and explain. So basically, the screen is 480 by 360 wide. I mean, 480 pixels wide by 360 tall. So I took the prime factorization of both of them, and it came out with 30 as their least common multiple, right? So they're 30 pixels. So each tile is going to be 30 pixels wide and 30 pixels tall. So basically, what we're going to try and do is, it's going to be sort of a trial and error, by the way. This is sort of going to be a trial and error process. Okay, so we're making the clones right now. So we're going to set clone X to, let's see, so it would start at 0. 0 minus, so it's going to be negative 240. And then it's going to be negative is the video and audio good? All right, so negative 240 and negative 180. So if we go there, so let's go to, I'm just going to test this, and I'll hide this border. Go to X, negative 240, negative 180. Oh, that's going to be right there. So we don't really want that. Now, what if we change X by 30? What's that going to do? We'll repeat that this amount of times. Where's it going to end up? It's going to end up over there. Okay, that's right. That's correct. That's what we want. Okay. All right, so that's what we want. So that's what we want. So this is good. And then we're going to repeat this amount of times. Create clone of myself. Actually, no, we're going to change clone X, change clone Y. No, do this. Change clone X by 30. Change clone Y by 30. So here, let's set it to negative 270. And then negative 210. Okay. And then we're going to change clone X by 30. And then, so it's going to do that, and then it's going to create all of them for the bottom corner to the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And then it's going to change the clone X by 30. So then it's going to change the clone Y by 30, make a clone of itself. So it's going to do that. And then once it gets up to the top, we're going to set the clone. Wait, which one's Subway or Chipotle? I don't know what Chipotle is, but I don't really eat that many sandwiches, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna set it right here. So, if I'm thinking correctly, also, I'll just make a border around this. Just make like a 2 pixel wide border. Just so we can tell the tiles apart. Like that. Do I still play Minecraft? Nope, because the only computer that I have it on. I mean, the last time I played it was like 3, 4, 5 years ago. All right, so let's see. So we're starting at this number, and then we're changing the clone X by 30, then changing the clone Y by 30. It's going to do this. Then after that, it's going to set the clone Y back, change the clone X again. Okay, so this should be good. So this should be Chipotle. Chipotle. I still have no idea what it is. Still have no idea. Absolutely no idea. So this should create a screen full of clones. And when I start as a clone, go to... I don't. And welcome, Brandon Anime Returns. Welcome. No, don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave Light Studio. Just because I don't know what it is. And we're going to set scroll X, scroll Y to 0. So scroll X, scroll Y to 0. And start. And then we're going to go to scroll X minus clone X. I think that should work. I might have to switch those around. Let's try it. Whoa! Okay, that's a lot. That's a lot of clones. And then we're going to set, at the end, we're going to set clone X to E. And then broadcast. Let's just forever broadcast tick and wait. And then when I receive tick and wait, if this equals E, if clone X equals E, so that means it's the parent, then it's going to do that. All right, so let's try this again. And what happens if we change scroll X by 3 every frame? Or no, here. Okay, that looks good. So now let's change it by -3. That looks really cool. Now what if we change scroll Y by -3? That's really cool, but actually I think it should be changing the opposite way. So let's switch these. There we go. That looks more like it. That looks more like it, I think. Let's see. Oh, also I can put that there, I think. Yeah, I can. Okay. So what is this? What is this? Welcome, Land and Animations. Let's bring this border back. Let's bring this border back. So now let's change scroll Y by -3 and 3. Okay. So now, welcome Land and Animations, welcome Cadence. I'm just making sure I welcomed everybody in case I didn't. Welcome Zax23, welcome Light Studio, welcome Brandon Anime Returns, welcome Minecraft SS. I think that's everybody. All right. So what we need to do is now we need to... Oh, welcome Racing Hands to the stream. Welcome to the stream. So what we need to do now is we need, if the tiles are going off screen, so here we go. Let's, all right, position X, Y. So we're going to position. Welcome Will Keys to the stream. So we're going to go here and here like that. And then go to X and Y like that. So now it should do the exact same thing, right? Let's take that out because we don't really need it. And Jim, what PC do I have? I have a Mac from 2009. I'm using a 2009 iMac. Now, what should we do? What should we do now? We need to make it so that if the tile... Okay. If the X position is less than negative 480, no, negative 240, sorry, negative 240, then change clone X by 480. What is this game going to be? I'm basically just trying to make scrolling tiles right now, so this is just a test. Welcome, QWERTY UI up to the stream. 240, change X by negative 480. So now, if we change the scroll X by 3, it should be an infinite scrolling system. Yes, it is. Look at that. See, it's infinitely scrolling, but the clones are actually just getting moved over, as you can see there. This is easy, basically. So now we can have, if we bring this back, if we have every clone. Welcome Carter Crate to the stream. Welcome Ethan Walters to the stream. I remember both of you. I don't remember QWERTY UI up though. So if we have each clone say it's clone X, we should have infinite numbers changing. Oh my goodness. Look at that. See, each clone is saying its X position. Do I want to play chess? No, I want to work on this for now. I don't want to get distracted from everything else. All right, so what we're going to do is here we go. Okay, so what are we going to do? So let's get rid of that. So as you can see, we have tiles here. Now, I want to make set level height and level width. Set level height to how many blocks should we make it high? I mean, how many blocks high should we make it? Let's make it 20 blocks high. You struggle to reply to everybody? I reply to almost everybody. I mean, I read everything. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. Let's do 30 wide. So basically what we need to do is you can get rid of the border by having an offset pixel on each 8. What's that 8 for? And switching between them, it'll go back to the tile. Not sure. Wait. Bring an offset pixel. What do you mean offset pixel? In each 8 axis. No, what this is doing is basically every time a tile gets to the edge of the screen, it flips back to the other side. So if it's moving this way, if the screen is moving this way, then the tile over here is going to switch back to the other side. That's what these change clone X by 480 and negative 480s are for. So as you can see, if we get rid of that border, you can see what's happening. These clones over here are going off screen, so they're flipping over to the other side. That's what's going on. So that's why we need this border. I'm pretty sure. We can make it smaller. I'm pretty sure. No, get rid of that links. No links. No links. Please. Welcome the great R8 and welcome the deadly fox. So, oh, okay. So that's that. This is, oh, even that. You can still see a little bit of the white there. So I'm just going to add a little bit of blackness here. Probably barely anything. Let's just add a box. And add a box over here. Right? See that? Welcome, Leo Y, to the stream. Welcome to the stream, Leo Y. You gotta leave the stream. Glitching to where I can't see the stream live. Only recorded 3 minutes ago. Oh, well, thanks for tuning in. And you'll be able to see it afterwards, but it probably won't be too interesting. I'm not sure. How many viewers do we have, by the way? How many viewers? We got 14 viewers. That's pretty good. That's pretty decent. That's decent. That's pretty good, actually. All right, so thanks, everybody, for watching the stream so far. So basically what I want to do is I want the tiles, I want the level height and the level width to affect if these tiles are gonna, flip over to the screen, to the other side of the screen. That's what I mean, right? Oh, also, I should. Oh, okay. Never mind. All right. So, oh no, I can still use this. I can still do this. So if x equals x position, you're going now because you're getting bored. All right, see that? Oh yeah, I can. I'll show off my Zelda project maybe at the end, but not right now because I don't want to get distracted. Because I get distracted very easily. So I'm trying not to get distracted. I'm trying to focus more on this. Okay, so I don't need that. So we've got this. Now the reason why we need that is because hang on a second. If see you, Ethan. All right. Well, you by the way, guys, can you just keep the stream open and you can just mute it or keep it open in another tab or something, just so I can get that watch time. If you would, if I would really appreciate it if you did that. If you just muted it and left it open in another tab instead of just leaving and closing it, I would really appreciate it if you did that. Oh, okay, it's in a phone. All right, so that's okay. If you're on a phone, then do whatever you please. But thank you so much for tuning in. All right, so basically what we need to do is we need to say if change close by negative 480. So we need to have if or. So we need if length. Wait, no. We don't need that or actually. So basically what I'm trying to do is if. So it's going to change it over to 280. So here we need to check if clone x divided by 30. No. Divided by 30 is greater than the level width, then change it back. But Jim, I don't get ads on my videos. No, I don't. But I just want watch time. Okay, so clone x divided by 30. So that should be right. So that should be right, I think. So let's give it a test. So we should see about 30 of them, and then it should end soon. Right here, the numbers should just stop coming. Excuse me. There, nice. So now, also another thing I can do is if touching mouse pointer, I can have it say it's X and Y, right? If, and we need a couple joins right here, join, space, comma, no, comma, space, no, comma, space, clone X, join comma space clone y, and that's if touching the mouse pointer. Touching mouse pointer. So now I can just hover over any of them, and it'll tell me their X position or their scrolling X position. So see, -30, -60. So this one right here is at 0. All right. Welcome, Leo Y. Welcome, Red Rager, to the stream. Yes, that's right. So 900 is the last one. So I'm guessing 900 times. Wait. 900 times 30. No, they don't get deleted. Wait, he asked me how LaPon is doing. She's doing fine. She's doing great. She's growing just a little bit, but we still think she's going to stay the same size that she is in the other videos. Welcome, questionnaire, to the stream. Basically, so what's happening here is the clones, when these guys over here are going off screen, they're just quickly flipping over to the other side, right? They're just quickly flipping over, so we don't have to delete clones. Same thing when they're going up. So all I have to do here is just do the same thing right here. So if clone, so here I just have to make it less than 0, right? Then change it by 480, right? There. So now I can duplicate this right here, and now change these to the scroll Y. So clone Y minus scroll Y, clone Y, level height, clone Y, same thing here, clone Y, scroll Y, clone Y, clone Y, clone Y. There we go. So all that should be in Y's, right? Okay, so if clone Y minus scroll Y is less than -180, then change this by 360 so it flips up to the top. Otherwise, change it by -360. So wait a second. So if the clone Y, so if it's like this greater than, oh, yes, that's right. So she's up here, right? It's going to be up here. So it's greater than level height, then it's going to change the clone Y back. And then if 180 is less than clone Y here, then we're changed by -360 and 360. So that should be fine, right? So now I'm just going to add a movement script right here. I'm just going to add a movement script into this. If left, if key up arrow, change scroll X by 3. No, scroll Y by 3. If key down arrow press, change it by -3. If key left arrow press, then change scroll Y by -3. And if key right arrow press, change it by 3. So now, just adding that movement script. Can I whistle? Nope. I can. Well, I can time. No, I can't really. So as you can see, I'll just put it outside here so it doesn't lag as much. So as you can see, if I move this way, you can see they're scrolling along. And if I go up, they should be ending soon because we're passing the level width and the level height. There we go. So there's that end, and there's that end. So as you can see, if we count down, I put 20 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Why are there 21 of them? I made it 20. Did I miscount? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Why are there 21 of them? I don't understand why there are 21. All right, you're gonna go, Zax. I'll see you later. Yeah, I'll probably still be streaming until I can figure out everything that I need to figure out here. Okay, so why are there 21 of them? So this is 600. So is that right? What was the bottom one? I'll make these a little faster. I'll make them 5, 5, -5, and -5. So that'll make it run faster. Welcome, Newsy McNews, to the stream. So this is 0, which is correct. So now 30, no, 20 times 30. Wait, 0, 30, 60. I just want to make sure they're all going in the right increments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, they're all going in 30s, which is correct. 240, 270. This one's 300, 330, 360, 390, 420, 450, 480, 510, 540, 570, 600. But why are there 20 of them? I mean, why are there 21 of them? This one should not be up here. This row should not be here. Also, if I check left, there should be 31 because based on there's... Wait, because there are 20 multiples of 30 and then 1 0. Oh, wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. Wait. So let me just check to make sure I'm doing the wrong thing for the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. Okay. This is getting really crazy. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31. Yep, there are 31 of them. Okay, so this one's 0, 0 down here, if I can get there. Okay, so this one's 0, 0 right here. This one in the corner. So that's the one I want to keep, right? So it's gonna do that. It's less than 0. So it must be with these. Must be with these right here. So let's have it say clone y divided by 30. Ah, okay. So that's probably why. Yeah, I see, I see, I see. All right, so all I have to do is just say level height minus 1. So that's all I have to do is just say level height minus 1. Ah, okay. Yeah, thanks for that hint, Newsy McNews. That was pretty thought-provoking. All right, so here we are over here. So I'll just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, nice. Yes. We fixed it. All right, now what's next? Oh, I need to figure out how to make the scroll wheel work. All right, so anyway, now let's try. Yeah, what'd you ask, Chickslub? Oh, you posted something up here. Yeah, Fashion is me, Chickslub. Sorry, Barry. My problem was the live chat wasn't showing up. How do you make top chat appear? Wait, do you want the live chat to show up on your stream window? Or do you just want to see it? Because I'm kind of confused as to what you're really saying, you know? I'm just a little confused. Wait, what do you want? You want it on your window? Wait, you mean you want it like here? Like you want people to see it? I mean, you want people to see it on the stream window, like a chat replay? You want a replay? Or do you just want to see it? And you can't see it right now for some reason. I'm kind of confused. All right, so while he's answering, I'm going to make a new block right here. Make list. I'm going to do that. Now we're going to do that here. You just want to be able to see it. Okay, so all you need to do is just, I'll type it up. Why not? Just find your live stream page. No, you're not wasting my time. It's fine. Just find your live stream page, open a new window, and find it as if you were a viewer. And then click the 3 dots in the top right corner of the chat and click pop out chat. And that will open up a mini window with just the chat on it. And you can read it and type in it. So then you can minimize all your other windows to reduce lag. Okay. So let's do this. So we're going to repeat level height, level width. Okay, you mean signed out or just search? Just search for it. It doesn't matter. Repeat level height, add, pick, delete all of level, add, pick random 1 to 2 to this level list. Okay, so now this is the hard part. I've tried doing this before, but this is the hard part. Getting the costume to switch to the right costume. So, all right. So I wrote a little note right here because I was researching this a little bit. So switch costume to item, round, scroll Y, divide, scroll Y. What? Really? That doesn't really make sense. But, all right, let's try this. So if our clone X is 0, so let's take our clone X, add 30 to it, which is the tile width. And that'll give us 30. Then we divide it by 30. So if our clone X is 0, then it's going to give us 1. If it's 30, then it's going to give us 2. Okay. So it's that. So we have that. And now, what now? Oh, wait, you know what? Okay, never mind. All right. So what we need to do now is, so how does this, how did I make this work again? Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay. So basically what I want to happen is these right here. Let's set it to negative 480, negative 360. Oh, I meant negative 240, negative 180. That's what I meant. Okay, so here we are. So, wait, what? 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 This said 0, 0 before. Oh, okay, never mind. It didn't. I'm sorry. Here's our 0, 0 right here. Okay. So we have this. Let's add 240 to it. Let's add 240 to it. So if ours is negative 210, okay. Welcome, FBI agent. Welcome to the stream. I should get merch, but I don't know who would buy it. I mean, a lot of people just get merch, but then nobody. Who's gonna buy it? I don't know. No, Chick Slub Fire Scratch. You just need to open a new window and just search and just find it, and it'll show up. The chat will just show up there, and then you just click the button in the top right corner of the little chat box. The three dots. I don't, is it just not showing? Can you not find your stream, or can you find your stream and you just haven't found the chat? I don't really understand. All right, so 0 will be 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that's right. Okay, so we want it going up, I think, first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So row 8. I can. Sorry, I did new tab, not new window. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but if you can find your stream, if you can just find your channel, just search up your channel, and then search, and then just it'll show if you're live streaming right there. Okay, so that's our row, and then this is how we're gonna get our column. This is how we're gonna. Have I considered making a website? Nope, nope, no, I haven't. So here we're gonna add 210, I think. Welcome, Michael, or Mikel. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I'm going to set clone Y. So if this is 0, it's going to be row 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's right. 0. Okay, so this is our column. I mean, this is our row, and this is our column. So now we just have to figure out how we're going to get those working together. So if it's negative 210, that's going to be the worst. The lowest. So negative 210, negative 180. Oh, whoops, I added the wrong thing. 240. So if this is negative 210, negative 180, it's going to be 1, 1. You got to go in like 5 minutes. All right, well, wait, Light Studio, will you be streaming later? Will you be streaming later? So this is row 1, comma 1, column 1. So how are we going to do it? Can you show me Zelda quickly? Sure. Sure, I'll do that. So this is where we left off. We're just trying to manipulate the row and column into this list. So, yeah, I'll just pull it up here in another window and then drag it in. Okay, here we are. I'll load it up first. I'm sorry, it won't work. Is it Hangouts on air doing it? What? What do you mean? If you just search up, okay, what part is not working? Were you able to find your stream, or are you not able to find your stream, or is the chat just not showing there, or what's going on? Okay, it's loaded. So this is what it looks like. Don't need that. Don't need that. I'm just okay. So this is part 2. So it's just lagging because I'm streaming. So I got that little ledge giddy up. I started to work on the walking animation. As you can see, I'll just load it up here. As you can see, the walking animation. It looks decent, but it's not. They're like little details that don't look right for some reason. It looks okay, but it's not that great. It's decent. It's fine. So, well, Yeah, Crystal Keeper. I'm making it on my own. I'm trying to make it on my own. So this, I'm just showing someone this quickly because they asked me to show it to. So that's that. And so I made this little ledge giddy up. Like, see that? See how he like just grabbed it? So you see how he just got onto that ledge? I don't know if you can see that. But I'll try. So if you like jump onto a ledge, you can like giddy up like that, or some kind of thing. Like he sort of grabs himself up onto the ledge like that. See that? But I need to change the animation for that because, as you can see, he's like pulling his arm in at a fist, but he shouldn't do that. He should probably like put his arm down. So then this is the climbing part. So as you can see, it's the climbing detection is there. As you can see, when I jump into the wall, the climbing detection is there. So you can see he's going to start climbing. So as you can see, he's starting climbing right there. But the actual hard part is going to be actually making the climbing actually work. And then the front face climbing, as you can see. So if I jump and press space, as you can see, we're climbing right now. See that? See, we're climbing right there. So I don't have the animation. I just have this one costume. So you can jump. So I'm holding right. Oh, I just landed on the platform. So you can see jump like that. See that? And just use that jump thing. And then you just press down and space to get off. Or just run out of stamina. And you can also just climb up. Oh, I ran out of stamina. So that's what I've got basically so far for this thing. But anyway, hope you like it, Light Studio. All right, so I don't need that anymore. Let's go back. So for the people who just got here, right now I've got the scrolling tiles working. So as you can see, they're working, and I've got the level height and level width working. So I can set the height and width anytime. So I can just set the height to like 10. If I want it to be 10 tall and 5 wide, I can do that. As you can see. Whoa, that's wrong. That's wrong. Okay, so I made a mistake somewhere. I made a mistake somewhere. So level width, level height. Yeah, I made a mistake somewhere. Well, at least it's call me Chick Slub Fire. All right. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait a second. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, what did I even set it to? Divided by 30. What? Oh! Oh, okay. Okay, so this is just creating the clones. Oh, did it just create them like this? No. Okay, so it did do it for there. See, they're just barely enough. Welcome, Zero Star Game Zero, to the stream. Well, all right. Goodbye, Light Studio. Thanks for tuning in. Maybe we should work on that in the future. Welcome, Optiflick, to the stream. Okay, so here. Wait a second. Welcome, Zero Star Game Zero. Welcome, Optiflick. Also, Lucas Bowman. I forgot to welcome you before. I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry. All right, but welcome. All right, so basically what we need to do is, so it's got to be something in here. If clone X divided by 30, hide. There we go. Let's hide it right here. And that should work. No? Why does that not work? Why does that not work? I don't understand. I don't understand. Okay, wait. Why am I making scrolling tiles? Because I want to try and make a Super Mario Maker 2 game. And this is going to be pretty important for that. Whoa, it finally got #1 on trending. Okay, so I guess I have to move this outside and put the hide right there. Nope, that did not work. That did not work. Okay, let's take it out. Ouch, there we go. Let's take this out. Hey, try this for Super Mario Maker. Wait, what? It's my unshared project. What? Let me take a look. Try this for Super Mario Maker 2. What? I don't understand. Alright, well, I'll just look it up. Users, Crystal Keeper 7. Oh, users. There we go. What? What? Hey, try this. What? I don't know what. I don't see. You don't see any unshared. I don't see any unshared project. I didn't see. I don't see any link. You didn't give me any link. It must have gotten blocked or something because you're not a moderator. All right, but I want to try and make it myself. I'm trying not to like just borrow something that I don't understand from somebody else who just made it, because then I won't understand how it works. Can you tell me where settings is? I mean, streaming set for live chat. Like, what do you mean? What kind of settings? What kind of settings? You mean like? All right, okay. So basically, what I need to do is make it so live settings. What do you mean that's not specific enough? I don't understand what you mean by that. Okay. Um. Grr. Wait. No, I don't know. I don't need to do that. I don't need to do that. If X position equals X and Y position equals Y. Oh, I can just welcome Quality Productions to the stream. Or and clone Y is less than level height. I could have just flipped those, but whatever. Clone Y divided by 30 is less than level Y. So if clone Y is 30 and the level height is 5, 30 divided by 30 is 1, which is less than 5. If the clone Y is 150, that's going to be 5, which is not less than 5. So that doesn't work. So I have to make it. Wait, if it's 0, if level height is 2, 60 divided by 30 is 2. Okay, level height plus 1. And just grab another one of those and then change this to clone X, change that to level width. That should be correct. Just put that in there and that in there and show it. And we got it wrong. Clone X divided by 30. Okay, say clone X, please. Negative 240. Oh! Oh, I have to add. I have to add 240. Or no. I hear a mouse. I hear a mouse. That's bad. I have to add 240. Yes! Level height plus 0. Yes! Oh my gosh. Okay. Now, clone Y plus 180. Level height plus 0. Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes! Oh my gosh. We did it, guys. We did it. We did it. Yes. Okay. Basically, if you don't understand why I'm so excited that we made this box a lot smaller, is because at the start I put in 10, level height 10, and level width 5. And before it was just creating that giant box. But now it's actually working. It's actually making a box 10 tall and 5 wide. So that's right. We did it. All right. What's next? Switch costume. That's right. So if I have my list up here, it should be 50 long, which is correct. So 1, 2, 3. That's what I want, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, so I want it to go up. So I want it to go up first. So Clone X. I appreciate it, Crystal Keeper, but I want to try and make this completely myself. I want to try and make it myself without, like, without without just following a tutorial, if you know what I'm saying. So as you can see, whoa, 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 okay. That's wrong. Okay, that's wrong, that's wrong, that's wrong, that's wrong. It erased. What? Wait, what? Okay, it starts off fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now if I move, okay. And it just ate up those blocks. It's there if you want it. Gotta go for now. Alright, see you. See you, Crystal Keeper. Like the stream if you want. No, you don't have to. It's fine. Okay. So, I don't know why it's doing that. Clone X. What is the level width? Zero. Wait, whoa, 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 what? 5, okay. 5. Alright. Level height. Right? Say clone Y. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Felt something. Negative 240. Negative 60. I just turned it on in the settings. Still won't show. I have no idea. I don't know. It must be. Are you on a laptop? Because maybe the screen is too small for the chat to show. I'm not really sure. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Wait, wait. I did this, right? Right? Clone X divided, clone Y divided by 30 is, so it made the clones up here. And then that must have been greater than, or not up here, are they? No. That must have been greater. I don't understand. I don't understand. That must have been greater than the, Oh yeah, maybe you already popped out the chat. Maybe you already did it. Maybe you already popped it out. Wait, does it say nothing to see here? Does it say, sorry, nothing to see here? Does it say that? Nothing to see here, we popped out? Does it say that? Does it say that? No, it doesn't say that. Just check all your just check all your windows open. Just make sure you don't accidentally have it open. Just make sure you don't have it open. I'm just clicking around over here. Welcome, Jacob Smash 1 to the stream. Welcome, Jacob Smash 1. I'm just clicking around over here on a different window. Hmm. Okay. I was just looking over there. Okay. Okay. So anyway, basically, something's wrong here. So I made this 5 by 10 right here. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now if I go off this way, then come back, it's fine. If I go down and then back up again, it's fine. But what I don't understand is when I go down, it just eats it up. See, it just eats that up right there. I have no idea why. I have no idea why. Yeah, right here. I mean, it probably has to do with these. It probably has to do something. Yeah, I don't understand. It looks exactly the same, but it's working for the X. It's I can go to the right, and it doesn't eat them up. I can go this way, I think. Oh no, it didn't eat them. It didn't eat them up. But if I go, and it's not eating them up anymore, I have no idea what's going on. Wait, what did Lucas say? Oh, he just took it away himself. Yeah, I don't understand. I mean, I made this code myself, so it must be something wrong with it because I didn't take it from anybody else. See ya, Jasper. Thanks for. Oh, I forgot to welcome you. Oh my goodness, I am so sorry, Jasper. I forgot to welcome you. I'm so sorry about that. All right, but we'll see you. See you later. Thank you for coming. Yeah, I have no idea. I have no idea why. It just isn't working for some reason. Let's take a look here. So the lowest is supposed to be negative 240, as you can, or negative 180. See that? See the bottom left corner is always negative 180, right? Wait, what if I change? Nah, I won't do that. What I was saying, what if I change the width or something? So there's 6. See, I changed the level width to 6, and it changed it. Now, if I go up, it eats it. If I keep going up, it eats it. Now, if I keep going up even further, it doesn't eat it. Now if I go this way, it doesn't eat it. And if I go this way, it also doesn't eat it. So for some reason, I just have no idea why. That makes no sense. That just makes no sense. What if it eats it to the size of the level width? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. I had it on 5 before. I had it on 5 before. As you can see, it's 5 wide. And I'm going to go up and up and up and up. And then, see, it's still 6 blocks tall. It's still 6 blocks tall. So that makes absolutely no sense. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to set the ghost effect to 0. I'm going to always show everything. And then just set the ghost effect to 100 here. Okay? So I can still hover over. Oh, look at that. So I'm here, I'm at negative 180. And it just, okay. There, it just ate it. It deleted it entirely. Look at that. It deleted it entirely. So I'm guessing it moved it up somewhere. Okay, so it is a box. Oh, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's probably just the size of my thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's probably just the size of the entire screen. So it made every single clone. But these, okay, let's just break it down. Let's just debug it. Okay, so if the clone Y minus the scroll Y is less than 180, let's just play a pop sound. Oh, okay. So it popped it. It popped it from existence. So we know it changed its clone Y. Welcome back, Light Studio. So we know it changed its clone Y. But then if clone Y divided by 30, what level height? What's the level height? It's 10, right? So 9. So let's say clone Y divided by 30. So we start here. Negative 6 is less than 9. Okay. Wait, what? Wait. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. I think I know. I think I know now why it's work. Let's make the size. Let's make the level width 10 as well. And now let's go off screen and see if it eats it up to 6. It doesn't. Why? Wait. What if we go off screen this way? Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's half of this. Okay. Okay, we're getting closer. Okay, so it must be something here. Something right here. Wait. Okay. So if the clone X, or let's just take clone Y again, okay. Clone Y is negative 180. Negative 180 divided by 30 is negative 6, right? Okay, so now what if we add, wait, what if we take this number and add 210 to it? What if we add negative 180, add 210 to it, we get 30, divided by 30 is greater than level 8. So wait, so our top one right now is 90. So let's just put 90 into there. Wait, what if we do that? Ah, okay, that's what we need. Right there. I think we might have fixed it. So just take this, just put it in there. If clone X plus 240, is that right? No, 270. Because that'll take our negative 240 and add 7, so that'll be 30. Okay, level width. There we go. Okay, let's try this. So it's going to be a 10 by 10 box. Let's go off screen. Please, please. Yes! Let's go back to our 5 by 10 box. Yeah, we have a 5 by 10 box. Let's go up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. That was that pop sound effect that I had there. Thanks for the help, Jacob Smash. Like, thanks for the encouragement. All right, let's see. Is it going to eat it? Nice. It didn't eat it up. And our level width is actually 10. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, nice. There we go. Okay. So we've got everything working. Nice. Well, I should probably fix these. Well, actually, so if X is greater than 240, so if it goes off screen here, changes the clone X here. So, and then, this is so strange. Clone X minus scroll X. Oh, I can just put X in here. I can just put X in there. And then put Y in these. There. So there we go. And I can hide these actually, I think. No, I'll keep it. I'll keep them as the ghost. Whoa, 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 what? Why is nothing showing? Hello? Hello? Okay, let's undo everything we just did. Okay, what was that? I have no idea what that was. If clone X minus scroll X redo, why can't we just put that X in there? Isn't that what I just did? Okay, that seems to be work. I don't know what happened there. I don't know why that didn't work, because it looked like I did the exact same thing. Okay. Looks like it's working. Let's make a 1 by 1 box. Now, okay. 1x1 map. Okay, and I can take these out. So, let's bring back our 10 or our 16 by 12. Or, oh, no. Let's put the level width first. Our 16 by 12 map. So that should fill up our whole screen. You're bored? You should start your own stream. I can give a shout out to you. Make people go to your stream too. Just so they can get something new and fresh. So, everything seems fine. So I guess I always need to be dividing the clone X by 30. I guess that's what I need to be doing. Okay, so let's do this costume thing. So, now, so we've got our row formula and our column formula. Now we just need to combine them to switch to whatever number of the thing. So I guess I can just draw a table, or no. So let's say that our row is -30, so our row is 7. No, let's stick with our -210, which is going to give us 1, and say -30. So row 1, no, column 1, row 6. Welcome, Astro. Astro, welcome. Welcome back, Astro. Welcome back, Astro947. So basically, in case you're very confused, well, you're probably not, because you're much better at programming than I am. Let's see. So we're making this scroll. I'm trying to make scrolling tiles. So basically, this I can assign any width and height I want. So 3, 5. So 3 wide, 5 tall, like that. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shout out to Light Studio, by the way. So I just so I took the prime factorization of 48, 480 and 360, and I got 30 as the least common multiple. So the tiles are 30 wide, as you can see. So I'm going to go back to 16 by 12, which is going to fill in one entire screen. I could type it, but I don't want to. I can't speak for Astro. I just can't. I feel like that would be rude. So I will let him type it. Okay. So basically, what we're gonna do is what I'm trying to figure out right now is how to switch to the costume. So I have a list right here. I have a list. It's 192 digits long because that's the length times the width. So it creates 192 characters. So it's just a random. Each of them is pick random between 1 and 2. So I'm just trying to figure out how. So I want to go columns first and then go by rows from there. So this one in the bottom left corner is going to be a 1, and the one above it is item 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and etc. until we get to the next row. So that's what I'm trying to figure out right now. I'm trying to figure out an algorithm that'll make each clone switch to the costume it needs to based on its row and column, based on its clone. So I have the column formula right here. Oh wait, no, this is the row, right? It's the real one. So basically, this is the. Wait, what? Oh, okay. So let's just pick this. This right here. So this -210. Wait, what? Hang on a second. Hang on a second. What is wrong with this right now? -240. It's Astro947. Whoops. Astro 947. Astro 947. Negative 240. So that's strange. Wait, 1. Negative 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's correct. So this should be 270 then. Okay, there we go. That's what I got wrong. Okay, so this is our column, and this is our row. Morphisms give each clone a number to assign the costume when it's being cloned. No, that's what the clone X and clone Y variables are for. So the clone X and clone Y is going to hold each clone's position on the map. And that's just going to be, so I'm just trying to think, because this is going to think. This requires thinking to be able to figure out the algorithm. Oh, and by the way, shout out to Light Studio. He's streaming right now. He's another Scratch streamer, just like me. He's pretty underrated, in my opinion. Yeah, okay, I'm pretty sure you guys saw Light Studios' message. Check out his stream. Can someone link? I can't find. Okay. Sure thing, sure thing, sure thing, sure thing, sure thing. Light Studio. Wait, did he just stop streaming? Is he even live right now? Light Studio, are you even live? This looks cool. Can you make the sprites change costume? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. I'm trying to figure out the algorithm that I need to make based on every clone's own position, its own ID, based on its position. I have a list right here with just an example list. Pick random 1 to 2 like this. I'm just gonna try and make Super Mario Maker 2 out of this. That's my goal. So basically, I'm just trying to figure out the algorithm for how so it just requires thinking. So I'm just taking my time right here. So I'm just got an example right here. So it's this tile right here. No, this one, as you can see right here. Negative 240, negative 30. Right here. No, chess, why would you use this to make chess? Why would you make this super complicated grid just to make a chessboard? So that's 6. So this is column 1, row 6, also Light Studio. He's streaming, right? Is he streaming? I hope he's streaming right now, because I want to post the link to his stream in the chat. No, he's not streaming. He's not streaming. He's not streaming. Okay. I'll wait till he's streaming. He isn't live yet. He isn't live yet. Okay. So anyway. So 1, 6. I just have to figure out. So 1 minus 0, I guess. 1 minus 1, I mean. So row 1 minus 1. Wait, hang on a second. 1 minus 1 is going to be 0 plus the... No. Yeah, plus the column. I mean, no. The column plus the row. Look at this. So if I take this, if I do that, so if I plug in these values, I should get 6. Yes, I do. So if I plug in 0, I should get 7 and 8. I didn't see the live stream on your search results for some reason. But yeah, check out Light Studios stream. So that should work. So now if I put in negative 180, which is the lowest y value here, and then negative 210, I should get, wait, how tall is this again? 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12. So if I put in negative 210, negative 180, I should get 13. Okay, that's not the number I expected. Okay, so I need to fix that. So basically, this is 1, but that's wrong. So this is our row, right? Oh, wait. Why not calculate these as they're being cloned? No, what's happening is there aren't an infinite number of clones. There are only there are only the amount of clones required to fill the whole screen, and when one clone hits the edge of the screen, it flips to the other side and changes its clone X along with it. So here is the 001, the 00 clone right here. I've got my mouse over it, so you can see it is moving. And then when it disappears, it jumps over to the other side. So these right here, when they go off screen, they're going to jump over to the other side to make the new clone. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out. So this is just thinking right now. So this number I want to be 13 right here. Oh, wait, it probably has to do with no, it probably has to do with dang it. Oh, wait, no, it doesn't. It doesn't. Wait. It probably does. Because if I make this, will I try to have a level sharing function in the game? Yes. I'm going to make save codes, and you're going to be able to post the save codes in a discussion forum, and then I'll just manually add the levels in from the discussion forum, because you can't, cloud variables can't do it, because Scratch decided to make them much shorter recently, so they would not be able to handle an entire level save code. So I would just have to add them in from the discussion forum myself. Just add them in, hardwire, add them in. Yeah, I might have to moderate a lot of crap. Yeah, that'll be. Well, I could also make it so you could just post. Anybody could just load a level without adding it in hardwired, if that makes sense. So I could add like the 100 best levels like that. How long are cloud variables now? Let me test it. Let me test it right now. Okay, that seems long enough. Oh, I have some letters over here, so I need to delete those. So let's set that. And how long is it? So let's find the length of it. Length of this, it's 469. Nice job. Now let's save it and reload it. And let's see how many digits were saved. Oh. Why is it 0? Why is it 0? I just set it to... What? I just set it to this, and it didn't save it. Okay. Well, I'm pretty sure 2 under 56 is the limit anyways. If it's not that, then it's even shorter. It's like 180, 186, 188 or something like that. But it probably is 256, which really isn't anyway. Yeah, good point. I am getting sidetracked. So let's delete that. That was fun. That was a little bit of nonsense. Okay. So let's figure this out, please. Okay. So we have our row here. But wait, we need to get the level width, I think. Hmm. Level width. Uh, grr. Wait, it's at. I know it has something to do with the level width right now. So 204 negative 240. But the problem is we know what row it's in. We know what row negative 240 is in row 1 and negative 180. No, I mean I keep getting row and column mixed up. This is row 1, which is correct. This is column 1, which is correct. So let's just pick negative 90, negative 60. Let's just pick that. So we get 6 and 5. So that's probably correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that's correct. Okay. So the row, no, it's not. And that was a bad project. It's the better one. It's Chip Banks 2. I shared it recently. I shared it on May 27th, I think. That was a terrible project. I should unshare that because it was bad. I should unshare that project, but not Chipbags 2. Chipbags 2 is I think one of my best projects. Maybe not the best, but one of the best. Anyway, so our row and columns are right. It just takes thinking, It just takes thinking. So we know our row and columns. So that's good at least. Now, level height. So if we are row 2, so if we're row 2, row plus the column. Okay, so it's going to be plus. So if we're in row 2, so this is our row detector. So it's going to be this plus this somehow. Like this doesn't even matter. I mean, this is probably not going to have anything attached to it, this right here, because that's just adding on whatever column we have. So it's all going to be in this first part, all the tweaking and everything. Figuring out, wait, is it? Wait. Okay, let's do this. Negative 210, negative 180. Negative 210, negative 180. What number do we get? 3. Okay, that's wrong. So we have the second column. Oh, and welcome XLG 2003. And also, I forgot someone else. Frosty Rahaz, welcome. Welcome, Frosty. Frost. Okay. So this is row 2. So level height. Wait. Level height. Okay, it's going to be level height. I know it's something with the level height. It has to be. Level height. I'm just trying to find out. So basically, Astro, if you're watching this, basically how this works to save memory or to save clones, to minimize the number of clones you create and delete. All that's going on here is just when the clones hit one edge, they instantly flip to the other side. So they change their clone X or clone Y by the entire screen length. So it flips to the other side. You know what I'm saying? So that's basically how this works. So that way they don't have to, that way you don't have to keep creating and deleting clones. And this is not my own idea. I mean, just the general, these are my, this is my scripting, but it's not my idea. So the idea was explained in words, but this is my scripting. Like I'm building this from scratch, if you want to say that. So what are we doing right now? So I sort of had this idea, but then the idea for how to make this work, but then I just blanked out for a second. So this is fine. It's just this part right here. Just this part right here that we need to fix. So row 2. Ah, 2 times level height, maybe? This times level height. It's 12. So what do we get? 24 minus 12 minus level height. And we get 12. Plus 1. Oh my goodness. Did I just figure it out? Did I just do it? Oh my goodness. That's 13. That's exactly what we want. Let's take this number. Let's take this. Negative 210, negative 30. So what is that? That's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Please give me 18. Yes! Did we just do it? Did we just do it? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, let's plug in our clone Y and our clone X. And item that. And let's test out. Okay, that doesn't work. Wait, I must have made a small mistake somewhere. So let's say this. 123 what? Oh, I probably okay. I probably just need to flip those, right? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. Say that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now, what if I make the level with 5 and 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is working. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I can't believe it. Okay, let's bring this back. Let's bring this back. Put the clone X back. Negative 2, 4. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Now let's bring this back. Item there. Okay, that's not working for some reason. Oh, it's because I only have one costume. That's why. Cause duh, I only have one costume. 2. Save. Let's go. Yes. Let's check it. So it should be 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. Yes! Finally. I did it. I can't believe it. I did it. I did it. This is great. Is Light Studio still streaming? Is he streaming? I don't know if he is. He is streaming. Okay. By the way, shout out to Light Studio. He's streaming right now too. Shout out to Light Studio. Okay, let's hide that. Okay, what do we do now? Well, let's make the map really big. Let's make it like 20 by 3. Yes, look at this. This is so cool. That's so great. And hopefully nothing we... Okay. Okay. Oh boy, the old eating bug is the old tile eating bug is back. The tile eating bug is back. So basically, see how there's like this staircase right here, there's a blue staircase, there's like a spike right here. So I'm gonna go off screen and then go back, and it's gone. All of it's gone. So now I'm assuming that it will save 10 of them. Oh. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Why is it saving? Why is it saving? What? Ah, here we go again. That's right, Jasper. That's right. So I'm assuming it doesn't have to do with this costume thing that we just made. If we set the ghost position to 0 always, will all of these get eaten? I'm just using that word because that's what it seems like. Okay, it eats those, but it spares those. For some reason, no idea why, but it must have something to do with these. So what I'm thinking is it should be 270 by 210 and then plus 1. Oh, you need your help. This is not working. Okay, I'm on it. 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 Okay, what's not working? I'll put it in here. Why not? I'm on it. What's wrong? What's wrong? What is wrong? Hurry. Well, no, don't take your time. What's wrong? What's supposed to happen? I don't know what is supposed to happen. What? CL. Wait, what? What's supposed to happen? Your mic is muted. Your microphone. I can't read that. Type it here. Look. What is supposed... I don't know. What is supposed... Is he supposed to go through the box or what? Oh, the white box is a house. Okay. So what? So just put those smaller if touching CL blocks inside the if key pressed blocks in the main loop. Just put those smaller if touching CL blocks. Yeah. Just put them inside here. Okay, is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it? Okay, I'll put it in theater mode. Please do it. Okay, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Okay, here we go. Only 9 views. That's fine. Okay, is he gonna do it? He's gonna do it. Here we go. Here we go. He's gonna do it. He's gonna put those inside these. Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna? Yes, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Here we go. Keep. No, 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 no. No. Put the touching CL blocks inside the key pressed if blocks. Okay. He will figure it out. I know he's gonna figure it out. He will do it. He can do it. Put those inside the key press blocks. Okay, here, he's gonna do it. Depressed. Yes. Yes. That should work. Wait, what? Wait, what? What happened? What? No. Why did he take him out? Wait, why are you taking them out? Oh, he's putting it back. He's putting it back. He's putting it back. Yes. Did it work? Is it working? Oh, what's he gonna say? What's he gonna say? And key A press. What's wrong? It looks like it's working. Why is it not working? What's wrong? It's working. Just do the same thing for the other ones. Oh. Why is it not working? I mean, I don't understand. It looks like it's working for him. Oh. Oh, I see. Oh, just broadcast. Just broadcast. Just broadcast tick and wait at the end of the forever loop. And have the house and have the white box move when it receives the tick. No other forever loops. There, that should work. Try that. Also, why does he just not have his mic on? His microphone on. So anyway, does this work? I'm gonna see if it works. Just quickly seeing if it works. Oh, it looks like it's working. Nope, it's not working. Okay, I gotta fix that. But anyway, tick. No. No. Broadcast tick and wait. No, broadcast tick and wait at the end of the player forever loop. And the white box receives the tick and nothing else. No, 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 no. No, no, only one, no, no, the tick needs to be in the same forever loop as... Yeah, and take out that forever loop. In the white box. Okay, he's doing it, yes. And has he broadcasted tick at the end? I can't tell. Question for a chat, what's the new max file size? I have actually never made a project that has hit the limit, so I'm not actually sure. Oh. Yes. Is it working? No, it's not working. Why is it not working? Oh. Oh. No, why is it not working? Take out those other key pressed inside the touching CL if blocks. There, that should work. Don't change anything else. Please don't change anything else. Please don't change anything. Please don't touch anything else. Please don't mess up what we just did. No. No, 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 no. Okay, read it, please. Take out those other key pressed. Yes. Take out those other key pressed. Yes. 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 Yes, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Yes. Oh, he can't move again. No, don't do that. Oh, he can't move again. Is that a broadcast tick and wait? Not a regular broadcast? Okay, it is. It is. All right. Don't understand. I have no idea why. It should work. No idea why it isn't working. Sorry. Maybe you should restart making it, because I don't understand why it's not working. I don't understand. What's the problem? All right. Light Studio streaming is trying to make this, and he's having problems with the collision. Okay, he's gonna try this. Let's see if this works. Also, why did you mute your microphone? Oh, he's gonna bring back his forever loops. You really shouldn't do that. Because I'm not talking because you're sick. Alright, he is sick. Alright. I'm wondering why this isn't working. And how far over does it eat those? Wow, it eats them pretty far off. Is it going to eat the entire thing? No. Okay. How much does it save? Ah. Um. Okay, is it working? Did it work? I can't really tell. It looks like it. It looks like it's working. Ah. All right. Okay. Norm, by the way, Studio normally streams with his voice. He's sick right now, so that's why he muted his microphone. Grr. All right. Oh, it looks like that's working, so I'm gonna I will pop out the chat here too. All right, so I can see that, which is good, and I'll just pause that. Welcome back, Jasper. All right, I'm gonna get back to working on this thing. Nice. He fixed it. Nice, you fixed it. All right. All right, back to tiles. Okay, so basically something's wrong here. So 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. Okay, that's right. That's right. 1. Okay, so that's correct. And wait, what? 20 by 3. Oh, I changed something here, didn't I? Okay, this is correct. Maybe this is wrong. +0. Oh, we can't tell the difference. Okay, 100. Welcome back, Lucas Brown. Bowman, excuse me. +1. +1. Okay. All right, that looks good. Now, I'm guessing, yeah, the eating glitch is still here. Okay. So, -240, -180. All right, I need to get back into this sort of mode of working on this. So this isn't wrong. So, also, if we make them go off screen like this, do they get eaten? Nope. So that's good. At least they don't get eaten that way. Did I make a mistake here? Oh, maybe they get eaten this way. I should make it 20 by 20 so that way I can make sure nothing gets eaten, sort of. I just like to use the word eaten because I think that makes sense. Yeah, alright, so if I go as far up right as I can, it's going to eat about just about there. That's fine. Yeah, right. Scratch. Stop eating Jim sprites. So they're clones. They're clones. Good job so far, saying the Light Studio. What about Element Clash? 9 watching. Nice. Alright, so anyway, I think I lost a lot of viewers because people didn't understand what I was doing when I was helping Light Studio, but it was... Oh, okay. Oh. Alright. Wow, that looks complicated. Well, I got most of it working. There's just this bug right now, which must be right in here somewhere. It must be right in here. So, negative 240, negative 180. All right, let's just take a look at this. So, negative 240, true. Negative 180, true. Okay, that's true. So, why does it just stop working all of a sudden? I don't understand. I mean, why do they just disappear for some reason? Like that clone still exists. No, but it doesn't. It doesn't exist anymore. So it must be an issue here. Right here. So clone X by 480. So if clone X, so it must be an issue right here somehow. So negative 240. Watch the Goldfish Project. Sound really young for some reason. Well, that project was made 3 years ago, so that's probably why. Alright, so negative 240. It's greater than level 1. Level with plus 1? Wait, what is this? 1. Okay, so the level width is 20. Wait, what? Hang on, I'm so confused. Oh, you know, it probably must be right here? Could it be right here? Oh. Oh, okay. So that changed something. So let's see. So when it goes off screen, the expedition gets less than negative 240. Okay. So it changes the clone X by this much. Now, oh, I think I understand. So negative 240 plus 40 is going to be 240. So 240 right here. I see, I see, I see. Okay. Well, what is this? 17? What's the level with 20? Okay, somehow this is sort of making sense, but I'm not I'm not connecting the pieces in my mind. Just doesn't seem right or something. Like it's like you know, 3 off, you know, it's removing 3 from there. all these numbers just seem related, but they just aren't for some reason. Is he still streaming? Is he working on Element Clash? Yes, he's working on Element Clash. Nice. That's a game he really enjoys. All right. And there aren't too many bugs in it. So, anyway, negative 240. So it must be making the clone over there. So 240, if 240 plus 270 divided by 30, it's over here. So I don't understand why this isn't working though. So negative 240. So it's going to be over here. I'm watching Orange because the first time I watched it has 18,000 loves. Yeah, I know that's terrible. It should not have 18,000 loves. It should have like less than 1,000 or way less probably. It should have like 2. So, you know what? Maybe I'm just trying to think of why it just isn't working for some reason. I gotta give myself credit. Why? All right, let's put this in and see if it erases them now. Yep, it's still erasing. What is this? 8. What? And this level width is 20. Because it's amazing. I guess it's funny. And it is funny. I'm pretty sure it's funny, but it's not made well. It's sort of funny, but it's not a good, it could have been much, much, much better. I'm sorry, I can't really hear you. The sound is super loud. Is my voice too loud? Do I have my volume up? Is this better? Is this better? Okay, here's one. This is one right here. What background music? I don't have any background music. I don't have any background music on. So here's one. Oh. Yes, yes, what? There. Is this better? Well, then just turn the... That's okay. Oh, I understand what you're saying. So finish watching it and then say afterwards. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I understand. That's sort of what I thought. So we want... So this is our row detector, right? 270. If it is in a row that's greater, yeah, why doesn't that work? I don't understand why that doesn't work. Because that makes perfect sense. This is the row. This is the row, right? Because if it's negative 150, okay. If it's negative 240, then it's going to be 1. If it's negative 210, then it's going to be row 2. So this is our row. So if the row... Hello, I'm getting a game. It's going to get pasted down. You just have to swear. Yes, definitely change it. You cannot have swear words in Scratch projects. That is against the community guidelines. So, doesn't really make sense. It should just be saving them, but it's not. It's actually moving them over. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Why? I don't understand. Why is it not working? I mean, okay, never mind. I don't understand. Okay, you know what? It might be in here. It might be here. Okay, let's try that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, less than 1. There. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. What isn't working? I think I just fixed it. I think you coming on here just turned it into some kind of you have some sort of magic or something, because I think you coming on here just made me fix it. Because now, well, I gotta test it. Yes! I think it's working. Look at this. See, I'm going off screen, and it's not eating them anymore. Now, if I go up and then down, it's going to eat them up again. So I have to change it to down here. Welcome, Ken. I'll just welcome you back. Welcome, Blue Sheep YT1240. Welcome, Crystal Keeper 7. Welcome back. Welcome back, Racing Ants, and welcome, Ken Galley, to the stream. Yes, Scratch has stopped after I replace this with this right here. So I've just got this row detector. This row formula, which is nice. So clone Y, we have this less than 1. And that's all we needed to do, I think. And, right, 2. Wait. What? Oh, 270. Okay. I thought I just broke it again, but I didn't. Nice. 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay, it's working great. Now 13 or 21 should be a 1. I'm just checking. 21 should be a 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 twos in a row. Yes, this is great. This is great. This is great. Great, 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 great. Great. And if I go this way, if I go off screen, the clones, yes, they don't get deleted. All right, now let's try some other grid sizes. So let's try 3 by 7. Or something. Basically, welcome Sean Ski to the stream. Welcome and welcome. Okay. Yes. Wait, 3 by 7. That's what I made, right? 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. I'm just testing right now. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes. It's working. And I'll go off screen. I'll go a lot off screen. And you can see these tiles are here. They are here, but they are just not here. So basically, Ken Galley, or the people who are new here who don't understand what I'm making, this is basically I'm going to try and make Super Mario Maker 2 in Scratch, like a one that's better than most of the other ones. I mean, no offense to the people who made the best ones already or anywhere, but I'm going to try and make it in Scratch, and this is the first prototype for this actually getting the scrolling tiles working. Also, I'll just hide right here. Hide right there. So now they don't exist anymore. Well, they do exist. They're just invisible. How was it like in that stream with Light Studio? It was pretty good. Next, I gotta loop the tiles. What do you mean, loop the tiles? So this is working pretty well so far. Also, never mind. Okay. saying you should only set the costume when you loop the tiles. What do you mean by that? What do you mean? I don't understand. But what's the difference between 2 and 1? There's just like the difference between empty tile and a Goomba. No, they're just, this is just a prototype, basically. So I can make another costume. They're just they're just holding the placements for tiles. So I'll just make another costume. 3. And then, where? Oh, it's right here. Excuse me. 3. There. So you see now, it's just creating a random list. I mean, this is not going to be in the real game. This random. Then they jump to the other side. That's what this is already doing, Crystal Keeper. That is what this is already doing. That is what this is doing. There are only, I don't know, but there are only the amount of clones that can fit in the entire screen. That's what this is doing. I know I did not create that idea myself. It's been used many times before, but all this scripting is done by me. Okay, make a 4 and a 5, sure. Just, oh, I clicked export. No. Okay, now I have a picture of a 3 on my desktop. Okay. All right, never going to use that. So let's make a 4. And a 5. But if you did, the costume should be looping when you go upward. No, no. It's creating the time. This is based on how, no, I can bring this back. Look, see, the positions are changing. It's just, look, okay, 0. Well, see, there are infinitely, oh, because I have this hide block. There we go. See, there are clones that are here that are just not showing. And it's just because these are the ones that are showing. It's just because of these two numbers right here, this level width and level height. I could make these 100, and now we have an 100 by 100 box. See, we have a 100 by 100 box. Now this is 10,000 blocks, because the list is 10,000 numbers long. So you can see how these would get pretty big pretty quickly, but, oh, okay, there. Sorry. There are your 4s and 5s. There are your 4s and 5s there. So these numbers, this is not going to be in the real Mario Maker, these random numbers. This is just showing the idea of these numbers in a list that will be put on the screen like this. When you make it, to make it, the costume should only be changing when you reuse a tile. What? Oh, okay. So all you had to do was just put it in here. That's all. So I think the level height is probably going to be like around 30 and maybe 100. So that's going to be a 3,000 tile, 3,000 number list. So if we add 100, then that would be 300. If we had 100 levels, then there would be 300,000 numbers. That's a lot of numbers. So the way this works is, you can see when we open up this level list right here, you can see the first 3 numbers here in the list are 555, and then 1155, and it goes on. So we start at the bottom left corner. So we cannot make any blocks to the left of this. We cannot make any blocks to the left. So 5, 5, 5, 1, 1. As you can see, 5 in the bottom left corner. Then it goes. Then as you go down the list, you go up. So as you can see, 5, 5, 5. As you follow down the list, 1, 1, 5, 5. So it keeps going until it hits the length that we put right here. Set level height to 30. Okay? So it sets the level height to 30. Now, you know what's interesting, since if I understand, the script runs each loop on shown tiles. What? Change the X of the tile. What are you going to do with these numbers? You mean these numbers on these colorful numbers? They're not going to be in the game. This is just an example of how the list works. This list is going to store every tile in the game, every tile in the level. In your if statement, which one? This one? This one right here? Or, if statements here? These right here? Imagine how hard snake blocks would be to make. Well, you know, we have our column formula right here. We have our column formula, and we have our row formula, and we have our column formula. So to make a snake block, we would just need to change the... Wait. Okay. To make a snake block, we would just need to... Okay, well, it would have to probably be its own variable. Its own list, I think. You know, so we would have only one snake block per stage, I guess, for the list that would be playing for. Or maybe we could have a couple other lists. You know, how many lists can you make? What is the maximum number of lists you can have in a project? Does anybody know? Okay, nobody knows. 69. Okay, I'll look it up. Let's close that. I don't need that anymore. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to say if touching... Wait, no. Wait. Okay. So if clone x equals E, how are we going to do this? Okay, stop spamming weird numbers. They're funny numbers, but they're also kind of strange numbers. Just don't... Okay, that's enough. That's fine. That's fine. All right. So if clone x equals E, which is the parent, then that's probably going to be our little cursor thing. So we're going to have it plus scroll x mod... I'm just thinking out loud. Scroll x mod 30. So go to X position. No, go to mouse X. Let's make a... Let's just make a cursor. I don't know what we're doing. Okay, so basically this... Basically this is going to be a cursor. Right here. And I will just make a cursor thing. Like that's what I was, like I wasn't doing it already. There. That looks decent. So we're going to switch to the cursor. Modified it for you. Okay, I'll take a look at it. I actually, while I was on stream, I looked at your project off screen. So I sort of have an idea. That was a lot of, um, those were a lot of blocks. So switch costume to cursor. Go to X. This is probably a bad way of doing it, actually, going to the X position, but I'm just going to try it. Mouse X times, wait, floor, or just round, round. I forget how to do this. Round this divided, multiplied by it, I think. Welcome Hyrule Legend to the stream. Welcome Joe Loy. Welcome Shonsky too. I think I welcomed you already, but there's another one. Mouse X divided by 30 times 30. Okay, that's awesome. That is so great. And now scroll Y. Now mouse Y. Level. Is this, it looks, this is just a bug. I was not welcome when you just saw my first comment. I am sorry, but there is your belated welcome. Okay, as you can see, the cursor is basically working, right? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. That's wrong. How am I so cool? Not really sure, but I just am. Or am I? Okay, I can just make these diagonal. And then fill it in like that. Ah. That just looks wrong for some reason. No, I did that already, Crystal Keeper. You are not very observant at all. I did that already. I did that already. But for some reason, it just gets offset for some reason. Oh! I probably have to change these to floor. Or ceiling if floor doesn't work. Okay, floor doesn't work, so I'm going to try ceiling. Nope, ceiling doesn't work either. You've been roasted. No, you weren't. You weren't. Whoa! Okay. Huh. Okay, well, that's wrong. That's what is going on here. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Let's change. Well, it's too late now. I don't really understand. Okay, plus nothing. Okay, so that's just going to make it go there no matter where the piece is, right? So now scroll X mod 30. I don't know why that's not working. Scroll X mod 30 is 0. What? Wow. Oh, do I just have to make them floor? Okay, floor. Oh, maybe I have to change it to minus. I probably have to do that. I probably have to change it to minus. That's probably what it was. Oh, you said that already, Crystal Keeper. I didn't see that. Well, thank you for saying, but whoa, whoa. Oh, okay, it just looks weird because that's how it looks. But I am gonna change that back to that. I should plus 30. Let's just add. Let's just add 30. Let's just add 30. Plus 30. And we'll add, like, what? We'll add. So that will add 10 to the mouse X. Okay, that's wrong, so it needs to be negative 10. Alright, so that looks good, right? Whoa. Whoa, that's wrong. So, if I go plus 40, then that's going to be wrong, so I'm going to go plus 20. So this should work, right? So it accurately positions it to where my mouse is. Perfect. Nice. Okay, so now, um, oh, but then how am I gonna, hmm. Wait, you guys, how do you erase blocks in Super Mario Maker 2? How do you erase blocks in Mario Maker 2? Eraser tool, so you have to grab an eraser tool and then go over it like that? Okay. So I'll just make a variable called mode, or no. See you later, chicks you love fire. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm sorry I wasn't able to fix your live stream chat problem, but okay, but thank you for tuning in. Hopefully it'll be fixed later, or hopefully you'll find what was going on later. All right. So if uh, wait, okay. So I should set mouse X. I should make a variable called mouse X and mouse Y. Oh no, I should have this. Wait. Hmm. How should I do this? How should I do this? I don't really understand. because, I mean, whenever I say something like, oh, I have an idea, or I start adding in blocks that start not making any sense, I'm sort of thinking about what I need to add in my mind and not exactly explaining it on stream until after I make it. So that's sort of what I'm trying to do right now. Oh, that is wrong. That's wrong. Mouse Y plus 40. Okay, there we go. That's decent. Let's try it on the project page. Okay, it's not bad. What do I play on Switch besides Zelda and Mario? That's it. That is all I play on Switch. Why is it over there now? Okay, I guess it's that floor block or that ceiling block. I need to. Oh, I have ceiling and floor. Okay, they need to be round blocks. Seriously. There we go. So now I can make it 20. Okay, that seems right. And now 10. Let's make it 5. Nope. 20. Okay, that looks good. All right. All right. This is looking pretty good. I mean, those. Let's just get rid of those numbers. Just get rid of those numbers because we don't need those numbers anymore. Nope. Nope. There. Let's make a little easier color on the eyes. Oh, and also the outline. So now it looks a lot cleaner. As you can see, it also looks a lot, I don't know. But it looks fine, and that mouse is still... Whoa, 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 wait. Blue sheep, okay. That's, alright, I'm gonna put you in timeout just a little bit. Yeah, it looks kind of cool. Looks kind of cool. Uh, but it's switching over too fast. What if I go 0? And that seems fine. Well, no, this is just random, randomly generated list right now. Whatever that is. Every time it always seems off. It's always off. I need to have like a calibration system or something. say blank. I'm gonna set mouse X to this and mouse Y. There's mouse X. There's mouse Y, and then go to mouse X, mouse Y. That might seem kind of pointless. Oh, welcome, Nuon. I'm sorry, I did notice you before, but I'm sorry I did not welcome you. I keep forgetting to welcome people. Welcome, Nuon, to the stream. Welcome, Forad, to the stream. Welcome, guys. So what now? What now? What now? What now? What now? Let's... why is this off? It's just not working. I mean, every time it seems off. It seems like a different... Alright, I'm taking the floor of both sides. Ugh. Seriously, do the floor. Alright, so that changed a little bit too quickly, so we're going to do plus 20. Alright, just mess it up a little bit. There we go. Now it seems too much, so 10. New one, probably the first person. Really? You think so? How did I pronounce it? I can't even remember. Nuon or Nuon? Is that right? Nuon. Is that right? Oh, because I want to know if that's right. All right, this seems fine. Yes. Okay. Nice. Now I know how to pronounce your name. Okay, so we're just moving around a little bit. Whoa! Why? It's off again. Come on. Okay, I guess it is. But it is. It's just off every single time I see outside. Like, look at this. It's just off every single time. Like, look at that. My mouse, okay, right there. My mouse is not on the, right there. My mouse is not on the orange, is not on the green block. It's on the orange block. Ugh. Now if I move it a tiny bit, okay, it changed. So I'm gonna just set that to like 15. Okay, now my mouse just moved to the blue block. Okay, that looks right. Maybe 15 is just the number I made. Or did that. Okay, 15 seems right, but it also doesn't. I think I should change it to like 17. Like these numbers are getting so precise. Okay, also I think I can lower this number by a little bit, so I'll make that 18. I didn't think it would be this precise. Okay. So that seems fine. Let's just go crazy with the mouse for a little bit. All right. And it's off again. This is like decalibration. Look at that. Why? Oh, I think I know why it is happening. Ugh. I think I know why it's happening. It's because we have this here. Let's put that there and that there. Wait, no. Put that there. Yeah, that in there. And that there. Is that right? No, that can't be right. Let's try it. Just see if it probably messed up. Oh, it didn't. Nice. Now, if whoa. Okay. Okay. So that can't be inside the thing. Okay. There. Hello. Sorry. That's okay. Learned your lesson. All right. So now we're up here. Okay. Oh. Oh, I think I figured it out. Put this in there and that there. Welcome, Logan Record, to the stream. Did I miss an earlier message of yours? I'm sorry if I... Ah! That is disgusting. Look at that. Make it go to the mouse and change X by... Oh. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Wait, was this right? No, it's not. It's not right. Okay. I need to go back to this format before I mess anything up. Go here. Okay, divided by 30. And put this in there. Okay, so this works, but it's pretty bad. Because when the scroll X gets offset, it just, you know, now, what we need to do is, it's because of those floor blocks, isn't it? It's because of those floor blocks. That must be it. All right, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Well, what I mean by off is that, see right here? My mouse is clearly on the blue block right now. It's on the blue block. And it's not... The cursor is on the purple block. I think I have another idea. I'm going to put this here. Try that. Nope, that's what I tried before, and doesn't work. It doesn't work. So take this, put that there, and that back in there, and that back there, and that should look the exact same, yes. Carl, who's that? No idea. Also, how do we make the tiles change in the enemies with the correct behaviors once you stop making and start playing? Just basically the list, this list right here, or this level, I could... Wait, okay, no. If item number, if this equals 0, then we can do that. So 0 to 3, as you can see, there are empty blocks. So, oh no, I can just make that less than 1. Less than 1. It should be less than 1, not oh, that looks kind of cool. Should be less than 1. So then I can have any items in here. I can have -3. See that? So anytime this can be anything. I can put an underscore in there for it to be an enemy, or I can put an X in there if I want it to be an enemy, because it can store letters. So anytime it is less than 1, or if it contains a letter, or if it doesn't contain a underscore, or whatever, then it will be something else, and it will be an enemy, and it'll have enemy AI and stuff like that. So that'll just be an enemy, right? Oh, wait a second, actually. Wait. Oh no, 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 it doesn't have no, 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 no. Okay, it can just spawn it just has the empty blocks, and there'll be another sprite with another enemy sprite, and every time it plays the level, it'll just create the clones on top. It'll just create the clones on top. Create the enemy clones. Oh, you have to leave the stream, our legend. Well, bye. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. So I guess what I need to do is change them back to round. But I guess I also shouldn't do that. Alright, well, this is fine. You know, I'll have to fix it later. They can just move around with the... Imagine recreating Bullet Bill Blaster physics. That would be pretty cool. Maybe I could. You know what? Maybe I could. Well, I mean, the thing is, I have to make it so that if the enemies go off screen, then they just stop functioning because, you know, they might hit a wall if they keep going off screen, because they won't be able to detect if they're touching collision. Or, I mean, if the tile they're touching is next. Oh, yeah. How am I going to detect touching? Wait. I guess I'll have to detect if the tile created is found, I guess. So here we're at the edge of the map, and now the edge of the map. Oh, we have to go 100 tiles. So it's going to be 2,000 around there. Or something like that. We should be getting to the end pretty soon. Have you noticed that I'm back? Yes, I did read it. Welcome back. Welcome, Piz the cat. There we are. There, we hit the end. Finally. That was 100 tiles. So yeah, I'll make this 9, 9, -9, -9. Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom real quick, so I'll be right back. I'll be right back. It'll take about a minute. Alright, I'm back. Whoa, what? Okay. Whoa, why is there a lot of spam? Clap, clap. I saw, didn't you hear? Didn't you hear that I said welcome back? I guess not. Alright, this is really bad. I need to fix that. I need to fix that. I am bringing back the round blocks. You have a script for the cursor? Oh, I can just, wait. Now let's do it for the Y position, because that's what has been causing trouble. Okay. Okay, well that's wrong. Let's see, okay. This is decent. Okay, this is fine. I'll keep the floor mouse X, because that seems to be working fine. Oh no, it actually isn't. Okay. I'm gonna change it to round 2. Hopefully I will not need those again. Okay, I'm just testing it. Different scrolling angles. Okay, this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, I can see the uh, tiles. Okay, now I am going to say if clone X equals mouse X and clone Y equals mouse Y. I'm gonna change that to that. And all of a sudden it isn't working. Oh, I know why. It's because... Wait, what if I go up here? What's gonna happen? Nothing's gonna happen. Okay. If clone X equals mouse X. Oh yeah, how am I gonna make that? Hmm. Mouse X minus scroll X. Yeah, really easy fix. No, I need to not only have the just general. Okay, so I can't use these mouse X things anymore because that's confusing. I'm gonna set the positions right here. See the mouse position to that operation here, the mouse X and mouse Y. Oh, set the mouse position to that operation. Wait, set the mouse position. Set them. You can't set the mouse position. The one I said in chat. What? I have a script. Wait, it's a tutorial on this that stores all the costumes and list. That's what I've got. But I didn't use the. I didn't make this from his tutorial, and his was really glitchy, buggy, full of glitches. It didn't even work. So I'm making one that actually works because his doesn't work. And I'm making it so you can instantly set the level width and level height. So watch this. If I can set the level width and level height to anything, and also I'll just set 0 to 5 again, so we get all our colorful little titles. Not 0, 1 to 5. There, so we have all our colorful little tiles. I can make this as big or as small as I want. So I can make it 3 tiles wide by 7 tiles tall, and it'll just do it 3 tiles by 7 right there. And it stores it all in this list right here. No, I didn't mess anything up. His was just really broken and confusing. I built it exactly the way he made it, and it just didn't. It just wasn't. It was just wrong because it had a lot of. I mean, it sort of worked functionally, but it was really hard to build upon. So I'm just making this myself. and there aren't any bugs with this because before it was like eating up the costumes, but now it's not. So when they would go off screen, they would disappear for some reason. So as you can see, it goes 4, 3, 4, 4, 5, 2, 5, 3, 3, 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, 5, 5, 4, 1, 1, 3, 3. So I memorized the colors. Right now, I'm just trying to store the mouse X minus scroll X. Oh, wait. Hang on a second. No, I need to set the mouse X minus scroll X. No, the mouse X minus the scroll X. It would be mouse X plus scroll X. Or, I mean, it would be X position plus scroll X. X, X position plus scroll X. And what kind of a thing you would get for there? Yeah, I'm changing the scroll X by a weird number, and yeah, it seems to be working. So now I just get the Y position plus scroll Y. Now negative 240. Exactly, right there. See there? Boom, we did it. So that's working nicely. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say if mouse down, or I'll just say if key space is pressed. This will probably be the last thing that I'm doing right now. So we're going to grab our row formula, or our whatever formula, replace item, this sets something with 0. Yeah? You're saying something? Replace item, where's our formula? This formula. This was our formula. Change this to mouse X and mouse Y. Go to the link. What link? You didn't send any link. It's because you're not a moderator. I'll make you a moderator, because there are no moderators. New moderator celebration. Oh, you have an image. Well, I won't open an image. It's just, I think I figured it out. Here. Boom. Replace item mouse X, mouse Y times level with 0. Okay, just set. Okay, just don't. Just say. Okay, say this. Just say this. 1. Yeah. Why isn't it working? Replace item with 0. Oh, wait. Could I moderate? No, I can't. If everybody gets moderator, then it won't be special. Or I mean, no, that's probably not right. But if I gave everybody mod, then everybody will be mod. And Jacob Smash 1 has been here for quite a while. Oh, say hello. Space. Oh, I was clicking. I wasn't pressing space. Oh my gosh. Well, I fixed it. If mouse down. There we go. Say nothing. There we go. Boom. So now I can click anywhere and it will delete those. You have a script for the cursor in this link. I don't open links. I really don't like opening links. I really don't like opening links. Oh, wait. I really don't like links. No, it's fine. Just tell it to me. Just explain it. Just explain it. Type it up with parentheses and brackets. Okay, so now basically all you need to do is look at this, guys. Guys, this is revolutionary. Look at this. If key, let's just say 1, I don't know, 1, then replace the item with 1. Look at this. Boom, we're making all of them 1s. Red is for the color 1. I mean, the color red is for 1. Look at this. Now here, that's as far as it goes. Now, okay, round. All right, so let's take the smallest ones first. So mouse X minus scroll X. So what is that for? So what is that? What variable does that represent? The X position or the mouse X variable? The go-to block. Okay. Mouse X minus scroll X. All right. Let's take a look. Round mouse X minus scroll X. I'll just build it out here. Can we do a Q&A? No, I don't want to get distracted. Mouse X minus scroll X divided by 30. Okay. Welcome, Dreamer, to the stream. Welcome. Always behind in time because when you type out something's here. So yeah, that's sort of interesting. All right. What is this? Basically, scrolling tiles. Look at this. I can make this map as big as I want. I can make it 100 by 100. And as you can see, it creates a map with that that grid size. And at the moment, as you can see, it will destroy blocks. I just implemented that in, and with the cursor right here, this is basically going to be, as you can probably guess, the building blocks. No pun intended, for Super Mario Maker 2. All right. Yes, it is Zebra. Are you Merp TV or however you pronounce that? Merp TV. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, so basically right now I was just building this thing that Jacob Smash 1 typed up, and I'm going to see if it works. So mouse X minus scroll X divided by 30. Okay, now round that. Round. And then there's 2 parentheses on this side. Wait, there's 3 on this side, 3 on this side. Okay, so times 30. Plus scroll X. Okay, so is there any advantage? And then you just subtract the So then you just subtract the scroll X mod 30. I mean, this is what I had before, and it works, but Jacob says he found something better, so I'm going to try that. This thing right here, this scroll X mod 30. Okay, let's take a look at this. Simple tile scrolling. Okay, click. Okay, that's the controls are kind of inverted. All right, so 1, 2, 2, 4. Wait, 2, 4, 3, 7. I don't really understand what these numbers are for, but okay, so that looks like it's working. I mean, the box is still unprecise. You know, the box, it's still a little unprecise, but it's probably better than mine. So I'll take a look. Where's it? Over here? Is it over here? No. Where is it? Where is it? I have a sore throat. Oh, it's right here. Sorry. Um, go to mouse pointer. Go to X. Round mouse X. Oh, you just do that? Okay. All right. So that looks like exactly what I had. Sorry, I wasn't reading chat. All right. So that looks like exactly what I have right here. And let's put it in here and see if it works. And I'll see if I notice any difference, because mainly it's going to be outside here. All right, that definitely is much better than much more precise than mine, I think. Well, I'll put mine back. I'll put mine. Oh no, that's yours. No, that's yours too. I don't know what's going on here. I'll put mine back and see if I notice any difference. Oh yeah, yours seems much more precise, and it doesn't have any crazy numbers. So thank you. Thanks for making that little script. All right, so time to ditch that. Put this one in. Ditch this one too. Duplicate. Scroll Y. Scroll Y. Boom. And how's it look? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, mouse X. There. Boom, that looks great. Let's scroll it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. That. Okay, yeah, this. I must have done. Now what? Wait, did that? Yeah, that's the same size tile. Did I make a mistake? I think I made a mistake. 32 is my tile size. No, I have 30. I have 30 in there already. Wait. Oh, can I zoom in? Sure. Alright, so does it work for this? Yeah, it's both the scroll X. Oh, but yeah, both the scroll X and scroll Y are offset. Okay, I'll try that. Welcome, Pro Editor. Welcome, Pro Editor, to the stream. Alright, so let's add these. Take the minus. Put that there. Try that. See if it works. Whoa. Alright. That seems to be working, and I think that works. Alright, now I just gotta do this. Take that, and then, wait. Right, mouse Y plus scroll Y minus scroll Y. Oh, I just had to switch those two. There we go. Put that there. Yes. Thank you so much. Alright. Does the mouse X work? Pretty sure it does. Nice. Thank you so much. It's working. This. Scrolling tiles. 7 watching. Nice. Still surprised so many people are watching. Alright. Let's do that, and here we are. So the last thing I want to try and add is editing the side, the length, editing the, yeah, I guess so. We won't be able to edit the height of the level, I'm guessing, because that sounds like it'd be really complicated. Well, maybe not. Okay. If 1 is pressed, now if let's see, if, whoa. Okay, so if we're adding a new block, if mouse X divided by 30 is greater than the level width, then we are off screen and we have to do something. So we probably have to repeat and insert, and we need a counter. This is going to get pretty complicated. Yeah, we need a counter. All right. Counter. So if mouse X is greater than 30 now, we need, and then after that we can replace this. Oh wait. No, we don't. We just need to add 0 at, we just need to add 0. Wait. Oh, you gotta go. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. Thank you for that script, and thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much. All right, so it looks like we need that. So repeat level height, add 0. Goodbye. Add 0 to level. Okay, so that seems right. So let's make it 20 by 10. No. 15 by 15. No. It's 8 by 8. Let's make it 8 by 8. Okay, now let's press 1. Ah! Repeat level height. Change level width by 1. There we go. That's gonna be good. Um, excuse me. Oh, mouse X plus 270 divided by 30. So mouse X. All right. Yes. So what's the level width now? Must be 11, right? Yeah. So it started off as 8, and now level 64. It should add another 8 now. Yes. 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 This is great. This is great. Okay. Now that's where we need to add the level height. Welcome back, Pro Editor. So now we need to add another if block for increasing the height. So if mouse X plus mouse Y plus this is greater than the level height, then we need to repeat level width. Then we need a counter. So set counter to 0. Change counter by 1. Add 0 to. You're sorry for what you did. I understand. That's fine. I forgive you. But a couple more streams of you be nice, and you could get your moderator position back. I promise never to do it again. Thank you. It's okay. It's okay. Lesson learned. And that's all right. So change level height by 1. Do that. Now this is the part that's going to be interesting. This number right in here. Oh, insert 0. This is going to be the number right here that's going to be interesting to figure out. This 1 right here. Insert 0 at counter. Also, the screen is 14 tall, 24 wide. Yeah, but that doesn't really matter because all I did to get the 30 by 30 tile size is I just took 480 and 360 and took the prime factorization of it and got the least common multiple, which was 30. I mean, the greatest common or something. All right, so I just got 30 from that, which is the closest I could get. The greatest common factor, right? All right, so this is going to be interesting. Insert 0 at counter, item counter, times level height. 1 times 12 plus 1. Let's try that. Let's try that. Okay. So we're up here. Whoa, that's wrong. Okay. Oh, my hamster is biting on the bars of his cage. Well, maybe he's sharpening his teeth. Oh, 1. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, so this works, right? Let's just scroll over here and just make a couple more of these. 130. Oh, right. It's there. Okay, so basically what I need to do is, what if I just put +0? What's that going to do? Is that going to do anything? Okay, that is even worse. So basically, repeat level width, change counter by 1, 0 at 1 times level height, which we'll just say is 3 or 10, which is 10 plus 1, which is 11. Which is 11, and then at the end, it changes the level height by 1. Oh, wait. Level height by 1, do that. Oh, I see what we need to do. I see what we need to do. Set counter to level width. That should work, I think, if my understanding is right. Nope. Welcome, Shockwave. And welcome, Goku Ultra Instantinio Garcia. Oh, what? Oh, I think that lagged a little bit. Yeah, that's strange. It's +0. Let's go up here. Nope. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, this is bad. This number is not good. Let's set that to 0. Change it by 1. I have a semi-disturbing question. Oh, I think Shockwave asked me how I was, and I'm doing fine. I've made a lot of progress on this project right now. Right now, I'm just trying to make it so that if you click above the box, it creates a new layer in the list. It creates a new layer and creates a bunch of new pieces in the list. Why are male seahorses the only ones that give birth? No idea. Alright, so this is fine. So counter to 0. I'm trying to think about it. So this is right. Change counter by 1. And so I think what I need to do is set it to level width. Maybe this is what I need to do. Let's try that. Nope. What if I set +1? Oh, 1, 11. 1. Yes! Did that do it? Did that just do it? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes! It works. So now, if I come over here, it should go up by a lot. Nice, it works. This is basically going to be Super Mario Maker 2. Basically the building blocks, if you want that sort of pun. Okay, so now all I have to do, I'll just change these if-elses to if blocks. So the first one basically checks if the mouse pointer is off the right edge, and the second one is if he's off the top edge, and both of them it's creating a new creating a new layer. So the first one is pretty easy. It just has to add a whole bunch new ones onto here. But for the next one, but for the adding of the top layer, it has to affect all little bits and pieces throughout the whole thing. So if we can show our level width and level height, let's just set them to 4 by 4 right now. Okay, so now it should change to 5 by 5 if I press 1. Yes, it does. Nice. 6 by 6, 36. 49. Nice. Ruin the square number. 64, 81. 100, 10 by 10. 121, 144, 169. Nice. This is great. So now if I put this down here. Oh yeah, so you can't go below. So you can't go below or to the left. Only up and to the right you can create blocks, which is good. So this is going to be the left boundary, and I can just make it so you can't scroll the screen to the left anymore from here. Great. 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 So you can make this as big as you want, and you can see that list is getting so big so fast. Right there. You can see already I'm just filling in random bits and pieces. Already this list is like 700 pieces long. But this is basically how it's going to work. And it works well. So as you can see, it's 825 pieces long. So you would just have these numbers over and over again, you know, in a save code. So if there would be 100 pieces, 100 different types of blocks or anything. I'm not sharing this right now. This is just a test. I'm just working on making this. And when you click blocks, you can delete them. So this is block number 1 right here. Number 1, as you can see, it's a 5. It's a 5, and now just click it, and it's going to change to a 0. So watch right here. Change to a 0. Pop. 0, 0, 0, 0. 0. As you can see, you can erase blocks, and you can create blocks like that. You can't create blocks below this line, right? Welcome back, Chicxlub. Right-click on the list and press Export. No, this is... Oh, I turned my brightness down. So this is... It's just going to have a save code, so I'm not going to save this level because I can just make it again. Right here. And you can see this level height and level width is constantly changing. Alright, so you can see we can change these blocks like that. We can add new blocks. See how far we can go. Let's go a long way away. Let's go a long way away from the start. And let's just drop a point. Let's stop right here. Take a guess. Take a guess, chat. How long do you think the list will be when I place the block? Closest guess gets moderator. It's gonna be quick, Chicxlub. No, 14. No, it's gonna be like several thousand. It's going to be several thousand. It's going to be several thousand. So just take a guess. Take a guess, guys. Closest guess gets moderator. $12,300, $3,607, $2,578, 2009. I'm gonna just take that first one. 2578. One guess counts. Only your last guess counts. Only your last guess counts. 12,365, 4,587, 2,345. All right. 8,465. All right. Okay. Guessing ends in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck. All right, how long is the list going to be? Oh, 1. Wait, what? What is my mouse X right now? What even is my mouse? 9,306. 9,306. Who got that? All right, Pro Editor guessed 4,300. 12,300. 3,607. So far, Chicxlub is the closest guess. 9,000. Nope. It was too late. 4,300. Yep, it was Chicxlub Fire. Chicxlub Fire. Scratch. Congratulations. And enjoy your moderator wrench. But that was weird. Because... oh wow, our level length is 99, so if I just went one more, I would have gotten 100. But that's weird, because... why did it not... oh, I should... okay, let's just... cursor. Cursor. There we go. Let's run without screen refresh. Yes, good. I mean, be happy you're using Scratch and not Python. Well, that would probably be easier, honestly. I mean, not starting out, of course. I mean, maybe it is. I'm not sure. I'll never be sure. So let's just add a thing right here. Instantly. Wait, what? Why? Why? All right, I guess I need to repeat until some stuff. Repeat until stuff. Can we do another one? No, because then everybody would get moderator at some point. Everybody would be moderator if I did too many guessing games. Maybe I'll do one guessing game per stream, okay? One guessing game per stream. Okay, so repeat until what? Repeat until this equals level width, I'm guessing. And now this level height and this thing. Can we do it for fun? Sure, we can do it for fun. Sure. All right, well, let me just make sure this works. Okay, now let me just do another test. Okay, nice. Nice, it works. Okay. So this time, I won't go diagonally. I'll just go straight up. I'm just going to go straight up. Okay. Guessing time. Guess the length of the list when I put a block here. I'm estimating it will be around 3,000. More or less. 4,921. Okay. Get your guesses in, guys. There's no prize this time, but you can guess. 4,921, 8,374. Isn't that the exact same number you guessed last time? All right, anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Wow, I did not drink enough water, I'm guessing. Oh, okay. All right, ready? Guessing ends in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck. All right, here we go. And drop it. 1. 3,510. Pro Editor got it. Well, I was actually the closest. Congratulations. So basically now it just builds it instantly, as you can see. So even, look at this, even if we go just a little bit away, it still adds like 500 to the list. That's insane. So I should probably add a restriction to that. I should probably add a restriction to that. Can we do one more guessing game? Sure. And this time, I am going to go straight down. Well, actually, no. You can't go straight down because as you can see, I'm pressing 1 and it's not making the blocks above the line, as you can see. So I gotta go back. Should I add the numbers back? Maybe I should. But as you can see, the height just gets bigger like this, as you can see. Wow, 28, 28, nice. See that? Look at how big this, how long this list is getting already. 1,400 already. Okay, so we've already hit the line. Oh, wait. Okay, so it knows. Wow, that's exactly the barrier. Wait, what? Do I have things going up here? Really? How? Oh, okay. There we go. I was wondering. So I hit the exact perpendicular, so we're right here. So this is really cool. I think we accomplished a lot this stream. Chat, you were amazing. As usual. Actually, make a red tile a ground block for no reason. Alright, let's see. Nope, we have... So I'm just going to go up until I hit... There we are. Okay. So, yep, that's the corner. Oh, no. Where's the corner? Right here. Nope. How far? Oh, there it is. Okay, there's the corner right there. So as you can see, it's hitting 1, 2, 4, 2, 0, 0, 0. So this is great. This is so great. Thanks, everybody. Bye. Ending the stream. Like the video, like the stream if you enjoyed it. No, we're not doing the guessing game. I was just messing around with the blocks. Alright. Mario Maker 2. I'll just call it Mario Maker 2. Alright. Bye, guys. Wait, what? Why'd you say wait? I just got back. Alright, well. When will the next stream on this be? Not sure. Maybe some other time. I lied. What do you mean? You said you would. Alright, fine. Alright, fine. One more guessing game. Okay. Which direction should I go? Up, right, or diagonally? Left, right, up. Okay, so I'll just say Proeter guessed right. Stronsky guessed up. I'll just take the middle of those two, which is diagonally. Okay, 2 votes were right. Okay, so we're going right. Oh, and say when to stop. Too late, we're going right. Alright, I'll go up too. I'm still going right though. Stop. I saw someone said stop. Alright, I am going to stop when one more. Okay, stop. Alright. Should I make a prize or not? Yeah, I'll make a prize. Guess the length of the list when I place the block. Closest guess gets a cake emoji. I'll just put it. 15,293. Wow, that's a pretty large. That's a pretty. Also, you hate cake. All right, you can get a sandwich instead or whatever. Make it a liquor or bacon. That's bacon, isn't it? Yeah. 27,000. Guys, these guesses are way over the top. Seriously. Okay, we have a 12,000. 2,570. All right. I'm guessing it's going to be around 5,000 or 4,500. That's my guess. 4,520. Okay, 500,000. All right, 50,000. 5,000, sorry. All right, guessing ends in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3,494. All right, go. Go. 1. 6,188. 6,188. So we have a 3,494, a 5,077, and a 6,500. 6,500. Congratulations. And pull up an emoji. I gotta give something. I can't just not give anything. Actually, I'll give one to everybody. Since he already won, I'll just say the cake emoji for everybody. Just to celebrate that we got this working after I don't even know how many hours. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. No, okay. Okay. Where is it? I can't find it. There it is. Okay. Big one for Chicxulub. Slices for everybody else. Thanks, everybody. Bye. See you next time. Subscribe and click the bell to be notified for more streams. Oh, you wanted bacon. Right. Okay, here's one. Where is it? Bye, everyone. Oh, he wants a pizza. Okay, fine. I can't find it. There it is. Okay, bye.